Hello, traders. Welcome back to the DIY Wall Street Trade Journal series, where I share real trades, real results using our VX Algo system. And today I made about $1,160 with a perfect 4 out of 4 signals, 93% win rate. Pretty good day, probably one of the better trading days of the week. And it's a good start to the month. So this series is about honest journaling, showing profits, lessons in the market's bigger pictures to help you trade with better structure, mindset, and real edge. And at the end of the video, we'll break down what we think could happen tomorrow or levels to watch out for. So these are the signals that happened today at 9:39 a.m. And you can see on the chart right here as well. 9:39 a.m. market structure flip bullish, which means that market is net long and we want to go long. So if we go long here, 62.38, we went as high as 62.53, give or take. And then 11 a.m. market structure flip bearish. So bam, you want to short this area, take it all the way down here. From here to here was 62.44 to as low as 62.27. Great play. And then 11.24, we had a buy signal here, about 5 point push back up. And then 12 p.m. market flip bullish over here. So you could take profit here or here, depending on where, however you feel like it. So this is 62.41. We went as high as 62.61, 20 points, but we can't always catch that big of a move. So sometimes you got to take smaller moves. So today's signal was on point, 4 out of 4. Everything worked out good. And these these uh these moves today was also interesting if you look at the index. So for a lot of people, they were wondering why NQ was lagging so bad, right? So if you look at the market on a slightly bigger time frame, so if you look at the 10-minute chart, you can see NQ was kind of down like most of the day. ES wasn't so sweet as well, so I'm gonna clean up this chart. So ES wasn't so good as well as choppy. While if you look at RTY, which is Russell's, is like up a lot, and then YM was also up a lot. So if you guys don't understand that, the key takeaway for this lesson would be to understand supply and demand theory, right? And in this sense, supply and demand is rotating between the index, the Dow Industrial and the RTY, which is Russell's, on the daily time frame or the bigger time frame, it's undervalued, it hasn't hit all-time high yet. Whereas ES is already all-time high, NQ has already broke past all-time high. And when you look at it like that, you'll understand that money has to move from somewhere in order for the other index to go up, right? And money is clearly moving from NQ. And the reason money moved from NQ is because traders are selling NQ and ES since they already hit all-time high, and they're buying YM and RTY, which the Dow Industrials, which hasn't hit all-time high yet, because it appears to be on discount when you look at it from this perspective, you know? So that's why there was a huge move. And if you can understand that, if you guys saw the market analysis I did over the weekend, you would know that I was already rotating into YM, expecting this huge move to play out. And that's where a lot of the money was made as well. So I hope this helps. Other than that, there wasn't any major headline. And then for tomorrow, these are the levels I would watch out for. I'll show you real quick. For tomorrow, I think 62.35 area will be interesting as support. And then 62.10 would be the other area to watch out for. So if we come back here, I expect this to bounce. I expect us to remain bullish as long as we're above this level. Between here is no man's land. We can go like sideways. And then if we lose this area, I expect us to flush and continue to go down more. So that's what I think could happen for tomorrow in terms of key levels and outlooks. So if you want real trading insights, honest trade journal, subscribe to DIY Wall Street to this channel. We're building a community that focuses on execution and mindset, no fluff. So check out the video recap link below if you want to see the previous results. And I hope this helps. See you tomorrow.